Alright, we're going to go ahead and do ambulating the resident with the gait belt. I already did my opening. I'm going to go ahead and grab my supplies. All I need is a gait belt. I'm going to go ahead and lock the wheels and lower the bed to the lowest position. I'm going to uncover the patient. Ms. Smith, I'm going to go ahead and uncover you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and sit you up on the edge of the bed. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Sit you up on the edge of the bed. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. And go ahead and put your gait belt on. Okay. So you want to go teeth in first, and then to the secondary loop. Make sure you can fit about 3 to 4 fingers, nice and snug. Alright, she has her shoes on, her gait belt. Are you feeling okay, Miss Smith? Alright, we're going to go ahead and stand up on 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you feeling okay? No dizziness? Alright, we're going to go ahead and walk a few steps that way. Okay, take about 10 feet. Okay, make sure you hold the gait belt, both hands. You want to be slightly behind her and to the side. Okay, go ahead and turn her around. Okay, go ahead and turn her around. Can you feel the bed with the back of your knees? Alright, go ahead and sit down on 3. 1, 2, 3. Feeling okay? No dizziness? Alright, go ahead and take off your gait belt. Go ahead and put it aside. Remove the shoes. Lay her back down in bed. Cover the patient up. Alright, Ms. Smith, I'm just going to put away my supplies. And this is where you would do your closing procedure. And that's ambulating.